Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Georgia. So first, you may want to head over to dds.georgia.gov. And from here, we're just going to hover our mouse on license or ID, then click on new license or ID. And from here, we're just going to click on apply for a new Georgia license. We will then be redirected to this post on how we can easily get our driver's license. So first in the step is of course gather in all your basic requirements, and of course applicants must be at least 18 years of age, and you can read this post to know more information in this page. Then next is plan ahead. So before visiting your customer service center, please submit the ID, license, or permit form. So you can submit the form by clicking on this button. And you can start here by filling out all the necessary information being asked. You can also see here that if taking an automobile, motorcycle skills, or CDL road test, don't forget to schedule a road test appointment. All you have to do is click on this link. And from this page, you can start booking an appointment just by clicking on schedule or modify button. And from here, you can now start your appointment. So you must schedule a road test and complete the online application. You must also present documentation showing your identity, residential address, US citizenship, or proof of lawful status in the United States. Your full social security number must be provided on the required online license, ID, or permit form. Please refer to Real ID requirements for more information. So, at your visit, be prepared to show all your documents, and you're going to also take the vision exam. And if you're obtaining a license for the first time, you must take and pass the knowledge exam and pass the applicable road skills test. So you can see more information about the tests by clicking on the links. Then, once all the tests are done, you're also going to take a photo and, of course, pay the license fee. And once everything is done, you should be able to get your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!